friends, welcome to Visava Foods channel. Today we are going to make a quick recipe of chutney, which I am going to use it for my onion bhajiyas, that is pakoras. You can use it in any sabzi also. So let's see the ingredients. Here I have taken 1 cup of mustard seed oil. You can take any oil. Friends, we will take oil as per our requirement. Here I have taken half cup of chili powder, little less than half cup of garlic powder and salt as per our requirement. I will take one bowl. I will put half cup of chili powder, less than half cup of garlic powder, salt. It takes little more salt because we are adding the oil, so we need little more salt. Now I am adding the oil. I am keeping this much oil. Now I will mix it well. So we have to mix it well. We have to mix it well. We have to break the lumps. Friends, now I have mixed it nicely. So you can see I have taken 1 cup of oil. So still half cup of oil is remaining. So here we have used only half cup of oil. Friends, I have mixed all the ingredients properly. So our quick chutney is ready. You can use oil according to your taste. You can use chili powder according to your taste. Add chili powder and salt according to your taste. If you want to add little more oil, you can add. This chutney I use for some of my sabzi or putting on my paratha or dosa, or with some pakoras I use it. I thought I should share this recipe with you. So this chutney is ready and let's make one dip. Friends, for making a quick dip from the chutney, I have taken half cup of tomato ketchup. Now I will add 4 to 5 teaspoons of chutney in this ketchup. It is a tomato ketchup. If you want it more spicy, you can add little more. Friends, with the help of this chutney, we have made one quick dip also. Friends, for small children, add 1 teaspoon of this chutney because it is more spicy. Friends, our quick dip is ready. Half cup of sauce. Friends, with the same chutney we will prepare one more dip. Here I have taken less than half cup, that is 5 teaspoons of ketchup. I will add 2 teaspoons of this chutney. 1, 2. I will mix it well. We'll add little honey. Is nearly 1 teaspoon of honey. I am adding half teaspoon of oregano. Now we will mix it well. We will add 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. So you can see with one chutney we can prepare different things. I will taste it. Yeah, it's nice. Friends, this dip is also ready. Friends, now we will make a quick salad of radish. Friends, with the help of this chutney, I will make one quick salad. Here I have taken 1 small cup of grated mooli, that is radish. Friends, here I have taken 5 to 6 roasted cashew and walnut. Now I will crush them coarsely. Friends, I have crushed the walnut and cashews. I will add it. It gives crunch to our salad. Now I will add the chutney, only 1 teaspoon. Then I will mix it well. I will add little salt as the chutney also has salt in it. So we have to mix it well. If you want little more spicy, you can add little more chutney. Friends, I will add little coriander. Friends, now I will add 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. Now we will mix it well. Check the salt. If you want, you can add salt. I need little more salt. Now we will mix it. Quick and easy radish salad is ready. So now we will serve it. Friends, I will suggest you that make this chutney and the dip fresh as and when required. Friends, make this chutney and dip in small quantities, and if stored, you can store it in the fridge for 2 to 4 days, not more than that. Friends, our quick chutney and 2 dips made out of this chutney are ready, and 1 salad I have made. If you like my recipe, please like, share and subscribe to Visava Foods channel. Thank you.